Hi, this video is going to show you how you can assign an assignment to your students in Google Classroom. So we can see I'm already in my Google Classroom app. I'm going to click on my class card to go into my Google Classroom, and as always, we are brought to the stream. So to start adding assignments, I'm going to click on the Classwork tab at the top, and then I'm going to click on Create. We can see that the first option is to create an assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. We have a couple fields that we need to fill out here. The first is a title. And of course, you can type in some instructions underneath. Once you are finished, you can then add your assignment, or you can create one right now within the assignment tab. I'm going to flip over to Google Drive up at the top, and we can see that I already created a Google Doc called Test Assignment Number 1. So if I go back to Google Classroom, and if I click on Add, I'm going to search my Google Drive for that assignment that I've already created. And we can see that it pops up because I've just made it. I'm going to click Add. And now we have a couple different options of how students can see or view or work with this assignment. If I choose the drop down, we can choose that students can view the file. That means that they'll only be able to look at it. They'll have to create their own Google Doc or their own way of getting the work to you. If you click on Students Can Edit the File, that means that all the students will be able to edit the one assignment that you submit. So students would be able to edit each other's work. Great for collaboration. Not so good for independent work. The last option here is called Make a Copy for each student. So what this will do is it will put the student's name ahead of the assignment title, and it will create a copy for each of the students that they can edit on their own and then submit to you as their own personal assignment. So I'm going to choose that option. Alternatively to adding an assignment that you've already created, you can create one from right within the assignment itself. So if you click on Create, you can see that you can create a new Google Doc, a slide, a sheet, a drawing, or a Google form. Once you've attached your assignment, you can then choose which students are going to get the assignment. I'm going to choose that they all get it. This is how you can assign points or a grading system to the assignment. You can choose it out of 100. You can choose it out of 4 for levels, or you can mark it as ungraded if you have an alternative way for grading assignments. You can set a due date. I'm going to set it for tomorrow. You can add a time if you need to. And we've previously made topics, so I'm going to assign it to the math topic. We can add a rubric, which a later video will show. Once you've completed the assignment and you've attached it to your assignment, you're going to press the Assign button in the top right corner. Now we're kicked back into the Classworks tab, and if I scroll down to Math, I can see that the assignment has been added and it shows that it's due tomorrow. If I go back to the Stream tab, I can see that the assignment is popped up to the top of the stream, and we can also see that there's some upcoming work on the left-hand side. So I hope this video showed you how you can add an assignment to your Google Classroom for students to complete. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to one of your TELT-Cs, TELT-C list at rcdsb.on.ca. Thanks for watching.